Hello and welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we dig deep, literally, into what makes our kitchen gardens thrive naturally. Today's topic might make some people squirm, but by the end of this video, you'll never look at a worm the same way again, because the truth is, without worms your garden is starving. Yes, worms. Those humble, wriggling creatures we often ignore or even sweep aside are actually the unsung heroes of soil health. In fact, if your garden's been struggling with weak plants, poor yields, or compacted soil, there's a good chance it's lacking one critical ingredient: earthworms. So what makes worms so powerful? It all starts underground. As they move through the soil, worms create tiny tunnels that improve airflow and drainage. This aeration keeps roots breathing and helps prevent waterlogging and root rot. It's like nature's own tilling system, without the damage that human tools can cause. Even more importantly, worms eat organic matter like dead leaves, plant scraps, and decaying roots, and then pass it through their digestive system. The result? Castings, yes, worm poop, which are one of the most nutrient-rich fertilizers on Earth. Worm castings are full of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and beneficial microbes that help break down nutrients into forms your plants can easily absorb. It's a superfood for soil, and your garden will respond almost instantly to it. Now here's the shocking part. Many modern gardening practices like synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and constant tilling actually destroy worm populations. The very methods we've been told to use to feed our plants are often killing the organisms that actually keep the soil alive. Without worms, soil becomes compacted, lifeless, and unable to support long-term plant health. So how can you bring worms back into your kitchen garden? First, stop using synthetic chemicals. Even mild pesticides can disrupt the delicate balance underground. Second, feed the soil with compost, aged manure, and mulch. Worms love organic matter and will flock to spaces where food and moisture are abundant. You can also introduce worms directly by adding red wigglers to compost bins or raised beds. They'll settle in and start transforming your scraps into black gold. And don't forget to protect their home. Cover bare soil with mulch or leaf litter to maintain moisture and prevent harsh temperature swings. Worms are not just gross garden guests. They are essential partners in creating a vibrant, self-sustaining ecosystem. If you nurture them, they'll nurture your soil in return, making your plants stronger, your harvests bigger, and your work as a gardener much easier. If you found this video helpful or surprising, don't forget to subscribe to Gentle Herb Living and hit the bell so you never miss a natural gardening tip. Share this with your gardening friends. They might be killing worms without realizing the damage. Until next time, let's garden with gratitude for even the smallest life beneath our feet.